everyone. Today's topic is digestive system. We are probably more aware of the digestive system than other system, not least because of its frequent messages such as hunger, thirst, appetite, gas, and frequency and nature of bowel movement, and will all issue affect daily life. Then what are the functions? Main six functions of the digestive system are indigestion, mechanical processing, digestion, secretion, absorption, and excretion. First, ingestion occurs when material enters digestive tract via the mouth. Second is mechanical processing, crushing and sharing, and makes the material easier to propel along the digestive tract. Next is digestion, the chemical process breakdown of food into the smaller organic fragments for absorption by digestive epithelium. Next is secretion. It is the release of water, acid, enzyme, buffers, and salt by epithelium of digestive tract and also by granular organs. Then next is the absorption. Movement of organic substrate, electrolytes, vitamins, and water across the digestive epithelial tissues and into the intestinal fluid of digestive tract. Last is excretion, removal of waste product from body fluids, and a process called defecation which removes the feces. Next is introduction of digestive system. In that digestive tract is also called as a gastrointestinal tract or alimentary canal. It is a muscular tube and extend from our mouth to anus. It passes through the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, and small and large intestine. The digestive system is one of the most clearly defined in the body, and it consists of long passage, the digestive tract and associated glands. And these include the liver and pancreas, which are connected to the main tract by duct or tubes and empty their products such as enzymes into the tract. Some are the accessory glands, accessory organs of digestive system, teeth, tongue, salivary glands, livers, and gallbladder and pancreas. Teeth means it is used for mechanical processing by of chewing, and tongue assists the mechanical processing with teeth sensory analysis. And next is salivary gland, which secretes or lubricates the fluid containing enzymes, breakdown of carbohydrates, and liver is a secretion of bile and storage of nutrients, etc. And gallbladder is storage and concentration of bile. Then pancreas, exocrine cells secrete buffer and digestive enzymes, and endocrine cell secretes the hormones. Next is the major organs of the digestive tract is oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. In digestion, oral cavity, uh, indigestion, mechanical processing with accessory organs such as teeth and tongue, moistening and mixing with salivary secretions. Pharynx is the muscular propulsions of materials into the esophagus. Then esophagus is transport of material into the stomach. Then stomach is the chemical breakdown of material by acids and enzymes. Small intestine is enzymatic digestion and absorption of water, organic substrate, vitamins, and ions. Large intestine dehydration and compaction of injectable materials in the preparation of eliminations. Why we need the digestion, or why the digestion is important? Because for breakdown of food into the nutrients, uh, which the body use for energy, growth and cell repair. And then how the food is digest. As the food passes through the GI tract and it mixes with the digestive juices, causes large molecules of food to break down into smaller molecules. The food then absorbs these smaller molecules through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream, and which delivers them to the rest of the body. And then next we will see the clinical manifestation or the gastrointestinal dysfunctions like anorexia, lack of desire to eat, and despite physiological stimuli that would normally produce the hunger. Next is vomiting or emesis, forceful emptying the stomach and intestinal content through the mouth. Nausea means a subjective experience associated with the number of conditions. It common symptoms of vomiting and tachycardia. Then the main also diarrhea. Then it increase the frequency of bowel movement, increase the volume of fluidity, weight of the feces. Major mechanism of diarrhea is osmotic diarrhea, secretory diarrhea, and the following antibiotic therapies are used in the diarrhea process. Next is the peptic ulcer. Breakdown, a break or ulceration in the protective mucosal lining of lower esophagus, stomach, or duodenum. And then duodenum also is the most common peptic ulcers. The development factors of duodenal ulcer is Helicobacter pylori infection and toxins and enzymes that promote inflammation and ulceration. Hypersecretion of stomach acid and pepsin. Use of NSAIDs such as aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen. High gastric level, production. Acid production by cigarette smoking. Then stress and ulcer disease, and inflammatory bowel diseases such as ulcerative colitis, Crohn disease. Ulcerative colitis means affect sigmoid colon and rectum, and Crohn disease affect the small bowel, that is regional enteritis, and affect colon, that's Crohn disease of colon. So that's all. It's all about the digestive system.